Good morning. I think it's like 7:30 right now. I had some breakfast, had some coffee, a little bit more thick when I woke up, so just been relaxing and waiting for the waves to get good, and waves are right over there. And it looks like it's getting pretty good now, so I'm gonna head out for a quick surf and see what I can find. But I thought I'd give a little tour of the room here. I've got this whole area to myself, pretty nice. And got my room in here, got my AC. I just put all my camera gear on that bed. This is where I sleep. And this is the bathroom. They don't use toilet paper here. You're supposed to use this thing. How do you work that? Woohoo! Yeah. That thing kind of trips me out. But yeah, quick little room tour. Now heading out for a surf. So normally, there's two places. There's one like right behind me over there, and then there's one way up the point over here. Easier at high tide, you just paddle straight out pretty much. And at low tide is dry reef, so you don't really want to do it because you have to walk across a really sharp reef. And there's a couple sea urchins, but not many. A pretty good size set. It's still not really barreling out here. It's just kind of mushy, but it's getting glossier and seems to be getting better, so fingers crossed, get some barrel soon. I could have made it. I pumped through the first section, then that second section I was just pumping through it, got a little bit too high and got sucked over the balls. Got super worked on it too. There's a bunch of sets right behind. Got destroyed. But there's a big rain cloud coming right now, so hopefully gonna get a nice rain and it'll pass off and then get some sick barrels.
Wow.